show you how to make the velcro. One part is stick on the vinyl surface, and the other is stick on the XPE foam. First, we make one like this. This is the bat without velcro. We cut with the knife. The velcro is 5 cm. The back 5 cm, and this part 5 cm. Mat is very long, more 5 cm. And then the ruler. Be careful. This is 4 cm. You should be less than 4 cm because if too long, the vinyl will be destroyed. And then this part. Like this part. We need to cut off the vinyl 5 cm. And then this part. Stick the velcro on this part and stick the velcro on that part. Can you connect? I will show you separately about the velcro, how to connect. We have special knife in our factory, but if you cut only one piece, use a metal ruler and a cutting knife, better one, and then you glue the velcro, you can do it yourself. Who can help you?